Hi everyone, Anita here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I clean my stamping plates. These are just some inexpensive brushes that I picked up at the craft store. I got mine at AC Moore, and every time I go to AC Moore or any craft store, Walmart, wherever they sell craft supplies, I pick some up because they're really inexpensive. You can use them for a lot of things and toss them away. Now this one you see that I've cut down quite dramatically. I trimmed it down because I wanted something short and firm that I could use as a scrubber to clean my plates. This is how it started originally, and I bought this thinking that I could use it as a cuticle brush, but it was just too long and too flimsy. So I decided to cut them down and use it as a scrubber to clean my stamping plates. You all know that stamping plates get really stained from the polishes that we use. Stamping polishes are really heavily pigmented, and so they leave remnants of themselves behind. Now, when you're stamping with them, you use your cleanup tool and your cotton ball, you dip it in acetone or in nail polish remover, and you scrub your plate with that cotton ball and remove the majority of the polish that you've already put on. But again, when it's heavily stained, it's going to leave a residue. So I just take some nail polish remover. You can use acetone if you like, but I use nail polish remover for this. And I cut my brush down and I dip my brush in the polish and I just scrub my plate with it. So I can use it as like a gentle abrasive for it. I don't want to put my plates in water, and I definitely don't want to use soap on them, only because some soaps can have moisturizers in them or something else that might leave a film on the plate, and that might prevent your polish from filling in the design like it should. So I'm just hesitant to use soap and water on my plates. So I'm just going to show you how I take my brush and scrub the design. Now I am blotting that brush in between. You see me going away and coming back to the plate. I'm picking up more nail polish remover and I am blotting off what's on that brush on a clean paper towel and hitting my phone at the same time, because that's a long brush. It's got such a long handle on it. So again, you're just going to watch me go through this process, and if you guys know of any other way to clean plates, leave me a comment down below, because I'm curious. See how much you get off, how much residue. It really doesn't look like it may be really that dirty, but it really is. And sometimes that'll just stop you from being able to get the full design on your stamper when you go to pick up the design. And it was a beautiful day, and I thought, this is lovely. I'm struggling with an idea for a nail art design, so let me clean my plates, because I'm like kind of stuck here. I don't know if that happens to you guys, but sometimes inspiration is hard to find. So that's what this video is all about today. What to do when you need to be inspired, but you're really not inspired, and you look at your plates and you're like, ugh, these look really bad. So that's what this video is all about today. I hope you guys don't mind, and like I said, if you have another way to do it, just let me know, because I'm really curious to find out. This plate has a lot of intricate designs on it. I think I demo one more for you as well and show you how the polish can hide in like the smallest spaces. Like, you look at it and it looks clean because it's laying flat, but I keep my plates that don't have a jacket or don't have a cover, I keep them in a plate holder, and when I slide it into the little plastic slot, the little pocket, it shows me just how dirty that plate is. It's amazing. And look here, you can clean around the edge of your plate too, and deciding on how far you want to go, depending rather on how far you want to go. You just continue to scrub that plate. I just turn mine over and blot it on the paper towel to dry it off a bit. And it's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Again, I use a lint-free wipe and just wipe off the excess and pick up a lot of that staining polish remover that has picked up the leftover remnants of the stamping polish. Now here's an example of you having it flat, and then when you tilt it or turn it in a different direction, you will see just where that polish can be hiding. See it on the bottom there in the corner left? Yeah, that's it. So again, you flip your plates around and look at them in different directions. This is, like I said, one way that I clean mine. Again, share with me how you clean yours, because I'm really curious to know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for stopping by. I encourage you to hit the subscribe button if this is your first time, and the bell icon will notify you when I upload my videos, and that is usually once a week. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Beautiful clean plates and all. I love it. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time.